Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 12 better ways to say, I'm busy in daily life and work. Number 1, occupied. It means involved with something, not free. Example, I'm occupied with a project right now. Number 2, engaged. It means busy doing something important. Example, she's engaged with her work all morning. Number 3, unavailable. It means not able to talk or meet. Example, he's unavailable at the moment. Number 4, tied up. It means busy with another task or plan. Example, I'm tied up in a meeting. Number 5, preoccupied. It means thinking about or focused on something else. Example, she seemed preoccupied with her deadlines. Number 6, booked. It means fully scheduled. Example, I'm booked all afternoon. Number 7, committed. It means already promised to do something. Example, I'm committed to another task today. Number 8, overloaded. It means having too much work or too many tasks. Example, he's overloaded with assignments this week. Number 9, at capacity. It means unable to take on anything more. Example, our team is at capacity right now. Number 10, heads down. It means deeply focused on work. Example, we're heads down on this report today. Number 11, swamped. It means very busy with too much to do. Example, I'm swamped with emails today. Number 12, in the middle of something. It means currently doing another task. Example, I'm in the middle of something right now. Now you know 12 better ways to say busy in English. Try using these phrases in your daily conversations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.